Hello, Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the scale x, scale x and norm x function of our conversion operation. So let's see how it is going to work. First of all, we are going to use as a scale. I'm going to select the norm, converting real into integer. So I'm going to select first of all, I'm going to select minimum value as 0, maximum value as 100. I think using 10 is better. I'm going to use MD12. Now I'm going to use scale to digital. Now I'm going to use W0 there. I'm going to use W0 there and convert into 0 to 100. I think I changed that. MD12, MD16, and then scale X, MD16, from 0 to 100. Select integer there. Now I am using MW0 there. So just I think my program has now finished. Now I am going to compile that and download into my PLC. I'm going on now. So you will see it will scale our value and give us a result. I'm just modifying floating point number. Point number. I'm going to use that as a decimal 1. If I am going to put, I need to change that to 10 because the scaling doesn't work. Now I think it's going to work. If I am going to modify that and put 5 there, so you will see it will convert that to 0.5 to 50. So that's how our scaling from our bit, like if you are putting some temperature value from 0 to 100, so it will convert into your uh, your for your analog output signal, because analog output signal support from 27426 like that. So I'm going to just show you. If you are using analog output there, so it will change your values, temperature value from 0 to 10, and give us as an analog output result. So if you want, so compiling it and download into your PLC, so you will see the result. You will see it will convert your analog, it will convert your signals to your analog output module for running any VFD or anything you want to learn. So I want to run as an analog output. So I'm going to just change that, and I'm going to changing that value. Delete scaling. And I'm going to delete that. And I'm going again using norm x. If you are using value from 0 to 24762, something like that, and select as a double integer from an analog input, and you are using MD12 there and using out as a real. MD16. Now you are using a scale. It will convert to you for 0 to 100 as MD16 real to your real. It will also give us your result to integer, and you are doing for MW0. So it will convert your analog input value to whatever value you want to see for your temperature. If suppose your temperature sensor is connecting to your analog input and it's giving us values from 0 to 24762, it will convert into real integer and showing you the result in centigrade or whatever you want from 0 to 100. So let's see how it is going to work. I'm just going to download that. I'm showing that. You will see. Modify that value. First of all, I'm going to change it to floating point, and again I'm going to change again that to floating point, and I'm going to change that into decimal. So you will see if the values is going to larger that, like 1200, 12,000 I think. So you will see it will give you result, like you will see a 48%. So that's how ScaleX and NorMax work for TIA portal. It is used for scaling of our analogs and inputs and output signals for our PLC. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything. And don't forget, in the description I give my contact number as well as links of our Indosoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA, and Factory IO tutorials. So if you want to learn, watch my videos. So thank you very much again.